The biggest lie we have been told recently is that AI wealth is entirely about generating digital things. Most people only think of artificial pictures and written essays, but the real financial shift of 2026 has absolutely nothing to do with digital creation. It has everything to do with unsexy physical world problems. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are talking about the boring arbitrage protocol. While everyone else is endlessly trying to build flashy apps, a quiet group of smart operators are using new AI tools to solve outdated problems in traditional, heavy-duty industries. We are talking about commercial logistics, scrap metal, and local construction. These are massive, high-cash flow industries that amazingly still run on clipboards and filing cabinets. I'm going to walk you through exactly 5 AI tools you need to tap into this hidden economy. By the end, you will understand how to become a modern middleman. Chapter 1. The Public Record Scraper. To make money as a middleman, you first need to find a problem before anyone else even knows it exists. This brings us to tool number 1, which is an AI public record scraper. Think about how a city works. Every time a restaurant wants to expand its dining room or a local dentist decides to open a second clinic, they have to file public permits with the local government. Historically, this data was buried in terrible municipal websites that nobody ever wanted to check. Today, specialized AI scraping tools monitor these boring city databases around the clock. They automatically read thousands of confusing legal documents, extract the key names, and alert you the second a permit is filed. Suddenly, you have a list of businesses that urgently need specific physical supplies or contracting work within the next 30 days. You hold the ultimate leverage. But finding the lead is only step 1. Now you actually have to reach them. Chapter 2. The Conversational Voice Agent. This is where tool number 2 comes into play. We are talking about conversational voice agents. For a long time, automated phone calls were robotic, annoying, and immediately rejected by anyone who picked up the receiver. But in 2026, voice AI is completely indistinguishable from a pleasant, highly competent human assistant. Once your first tool finds that expanding restaurant, your voice agent tool automatically dials local wholesale kitchen suppliers on your behalf. It speaks naturally, asks for bulk discount rates on industrial ovens, and negotiates the delivery terms. It handles the entire back-and-forth conversation, pauses to listen, and gracefully answers complex questions about shipping logistics. You are essentially employing a tireless sales negotiator who works for pennies and never needs a coffee break. The supplier thinks they're talking to a professional purchasing manager. However, securing a great wholesale price is useless if the paperwork details are a complete mess. This brings us perfectly to the third essential piece of the puzzle, which is the unstructured data translator. The physical business world is incredibly messy. Wholesale suppliers rarely send beautifully clean spreadsheets. They send blurry scans of handwritten manifests, crooked paper invoices, and faxed inventory sheets that look like they survived a local flood. If you tried to organize this manually, you would waste countless frustrating hours just typing numbers into a computer. Instead, this third AI tool visually scans the mess. It instantly extracts product serial numbers, dimensions, and wholesale costs with absolute accuracy. It takes the complete chaos of old-school business communication and turns it into a perfectly organized digital dashboard. You now hold a clean list of everything the supplier offers at what price entirely at your fingertips. Now that you have both the eager buyer and the supplier organized, you just need to connect them securely. To safely bridge the gap between the buyer and the supplier, you'll need tool number 4. This is an automated smart contract builder. In the past, acting as an industry broker meant hiring expensive lawyers to draft confusing agreements just to ensure you received your rightful middleman fee. It was slow, costly, and incredibly intimidating. Today, this AI tool generates an airtight, legally compliant escrow agreement in seconds. You simply input the wholesale price you secured alongside the final retail price you are offering the restaurant owner. The AI then creates a secure digital payment link. When the restaurant owner pays for their equipment, the smart contract automatically splits the money. It sends the exact wholesale cost directly to the supplier and instantly routes your profit margin into your bank account. You never actually touch the physical equipment. But what happens when the massive delivery truck unexpectedly breaks down? That terrifying question brings us to tool number 5, the micro-logistics dispatcher. Moving physical items from a warehouse to a local business is notoriously complicated. Traffic changes, drivers get lost, and weather ruins schedules. If your delivery fails, your reputation as a reliable broker is ruined. This tool completely eliminates that underlying risk. It acts as a super intelligent air traffic controller for local deliveries. It connects directly to independent regional freight drivers, completely bypassing massive shipping companies. The AI analyzes local traffic patterns, calculates vehicle weight limits, and automatically dispatches the closest available driver to pick up the goods. It tracks the journey in real time and sends polite automated text updates to the restaurant owner so they know exactly when to expect their equipment. It handles the hardest physical part of the business entirely in the background. But this system only works if you grasp one final hidden rule. The final hidden rule of this entire economy is understanding the trust deficit. Right now, there's a massive gap between the people who understand modern technology and the people who actually run traditional physical businesses. A local warehouse manager who has been selling industrial parts for 30 years doesn't want to learn how to use a new software platform. A local business owner who is busy dealing with angry customers doesn't have the time to negotiate with 5 different suppliers. They are completely exhausted and overwhelmed by their daily operations. By using these tools, you never actually sell raw technology. You are simply selling them an easy, frictionless experience. You step into the chaos, absorb their stress using automated systems, and present a beautifully clean solution. The technology remains entirely invisible to them. The reason this works so beautifully is precisely because it always feels incredibly old-fashioned. This entire strategy comes down to making an asymmetric bet on the future. The vast majority of people trying to make money right now are crowding into the exact same saturated spaces. They are fighting over tiny margins and overcrowded digital arenas, hoping to get lucky. But the physical economy is massive, incredibly slow to adapt, and remarkably empty of technical talent. By linking these 5 specific tools together, you construct a highly leveraged machine that connects local demand with local supply while you sleep. You provide genuine value to stressed business owners, and you take a quiet, highly profitable cut from the middle. You don't need to invent a new product, and you definitely don't need a massive budget. You just need to be willing to look where everyone else is ignoring. Thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you soon.